How to change group chat photo on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your group chat picture on Messenger app. Now, if you open up the Messenger app, first what you want to do is head into the group chat here. You can see here is a group chat of mine. Now, to change the group chat photo, what you can do is first tap on the eye icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll get an interface like this. Now you can see there isn't any group chat photo right here. Our profile has been showed up and we don't have group chat picture chosen here. Now to change the group chat photo, what you want to do is tap on this certain profile that shows up in your group chat at the top. Just tap on it here, and then once you tap on it, you can get an option to take photo or choose photo. Now if you want to take a picture, you can just take a quick picture. If you want to choose a certain photo, just tap on choose photo and then choose a picture from your gallery, and then tap on next, and you'll have to crop the picture and then tap on save, and the picture will be saved. You can see the group chat photo has been changed, and you can see the notification popping up you changed the group photo. So this way you can change group chat photo on Messenger. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.